Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Torino president, they call Chiaro, don't come outside, they talk, say Andrea Bellotti no go sign new contract. They say they don't try their best, offer him the best of everything, and if you say sign the contract, you then place in front of him, if will be the highest earning player for Torino. So Ababa no agree sign, they no get anything they will do, they no fit force him now, so they will let him run down in contract. Then people like Arsenal, Spurs, and other people will like to sign the guy. They reason the guy, can they also okay by January maybe they feel sign pre-contract agreement with the guy. Then when summer come end, they will carry the guy on a free transfer. So we never really know how this one will solve. So everything done there for Bellotti hand now. Whether I will go for Arsenal, I will go for Spurs, because these two people they define striker bad. Because you know say Spurs no say Harry Kane future na Man City they forget say they don't escape this one. Now we say Baba no join Man City. Arsenal self no say Aubameyang self don dey old, Lacazette self don old, and the guy self at the end of the summer go turn free agent. So everybody they look for proven striker we go dey bust them. So everybody know we they go dey fear. We get presence so huge, you know. Person go fit get hold up play. So now we see everybody dey fine. Well, but watch as everything will come. By January, everything will done a day clearer. At the same time, based on how many people don't enter my inbox, they let me know say they don't hack their Facebook account. You know, I hear these kind of stories well. So I just make I educate some people. Say with that, when I don't do two-factor authentication for Facebook, if you go for your Facebook settings, go for your security, I think security and privacy, then security settings, you will see two-factor authentication. You will need to put your phone number so that anytime where anybody want log into your Facebook from anywhere, Facebook will send you a code to your own phone number. Now another step of security verification to know whether you know this person, whether now you dey log in there. So as long as you don't set two-factor authentication, nobody go fit log into your Facebook account. So this one is a way to mitigate all this hacking. They hack me. A hacker cannot just come and hack you. That's just number one truth. No hacker go fit enter your account if they don't know your password. Now you go even help them. Sometimes they fit give you one kind free something or tell you something or give you a cloned website like phishing. They'll give you a cloned website will be like Facebook, but you don't go pay attention to the address bar. So you go put your username and password. Once you do it, they don't get your details. They'll come go log in for your back, come out to you. Even me self we get GFL TV. You know how many times people don't try to hack me so that they go take over my page. You know how many times? My two-factor I put 2FA, I even put Google Authenticator. So it did very my security they airtight. It did very hard for you to say you want to hack me. It's very hard because no hacker can come and hack you without your help. So if you fit set that 2FA, it would be very hard for anybody to come and hack you. I'm not know they greedy. They offer you one free something. People where you don't know go they chat you, go follow them they chat. Before you know, they don't send you a link. You go click the link, you go take you to Facebook page. Before you know, you don't put your login details. Or they go send you a link, you go take you to Gmail. Before you know, you don't put your login details. So now say what I say make I let you know. Set up two-factor authentication for your Facebook account today. Not just Facebook, but your Gmail, Instagram, and anything social media. Set them today and you go see say it go hard for anybody to hack you moving forward. You get news where they break all over social media and all over the world now about Newcastle. Newcastle now don't be the new Man City now. Newcastle don't become the richest club in EPL as of now. And what's happened be say, you know, say Newcastle now, their owner, Ashley William, be Mike Ashley, he don't sell the club now. So a Saudi-based consortium. This consortium now a partnership of different clubs like PIF, PCP Capital Powers, and RB Sports and Media. All these people are different companies will come together, come by Newcastle United, and all of them when you check their net worth, they worth like 400 and something billion pounds. You know, compared to all those kind and Kronky, they will be they don't even reach 100 billion. You know. The thing no be small news o. The way we take hear that yesterday, even sef, well, more the watch how everything go turn out, because after they don sign all the players, so they go need to sign to take them to the glory days, because they don come, they want everybody now say they no come here come play o, and everywhere just dey buzz, because we know say as they don come now, money go dey fly up and down, and they go be like Man City now, they go fit dey bid for player 100 million and 50 million, just dey buy, they go rebuild. Remember say when Man City sef said Sheikh Mansour first buy Man City sef, now so small they dey buy players before they come wetin dem be now. So na the same eye everybody take dey look Newcastle. Even if you check Twitter yesterday sef, Arsenal dey trend. I know say they trend for good things. People just dey laugh Arsenal, say before Arsenal go come back to top 4, go hard. The Newcastle go first then come back. You know, people just dey make jest of us. Well, Newcastle don't get wetin we dey wish for. How I wish they will get this kind of owner, so we can take over us. We get unlimited funds, we can dey bust every year's money. Will make sense. Tomiyasu don dey named September Player of the Year after people don't vote for him, so the guy don't win, and deservedly. The guy need him because the guy really play very well. Of course, a new player, I never really play plenty matches for Arsenal yet. He don't instill himself for our hearts, don't make us love him like mad. We can't vote for us, okay. Line go be the September Player of the Year. We're very happy with that. At least as we don't give him that award now, hopefully the thing will propel him to perform more in the month of October. We'll see after everything will turn out. Ben White don't come outside for me. That's why they talk about Charlie Patino. Say the guy now be the brightest player when don't play against for training. Say the guy did very good and at a very tender age from the academy where they come. So he just they happy because they don't allow some kind of academy boys to rejoin them for training. They do training session with them. So you don't see the guy say this guy get bright futures. Say very soon now, you know what they go draft a mental first team, because no, so we get some kind of money for the first team now. We they technically gifted like him now. So you just see the guy coming up. So we never know whether Arsenal will let the guy break into the first level, and whether they go loan him out, then go enjoy game time, building confidence again before they come back. Now the same thing they do with Smith Rowe now. When go outside, play for different clubs, play, come building confidence, build himself, come they play now. So not too far. First team no far for the guy. Abraham don't come outside, they let everybody know why him take leave England. They be saying no can join Arsenal again, because Arsenal the reason no matter that time, and not be only Arsenal, even Tottenham Hotspur self, the reason I'm saying they would like to sign about you can't choose Roma. And what is up? Say Baba say you just sleep one morning like that too. So Mourinho just call him. As he just speak, the first way Mourinho tell him say, "Sure you would like to play for sun, and you would like to play inside rain." He just laughs. Say, Papa, which kind of talk with this one that? So all of a sudden he just find square root to go join them for Italy, because making no lie, say he won't stay for England, mainly close to his family. But as that when they do themselves, they don't make their decision early. Even Tottenham Hotspur, they don't make their decision early. So and you don't want to waste time with your future now. For you not to make your decision, and that means you don't really hold me in high esteem now. So that's why I can say, okay, make him go join Mourinho. And for there, when they say they enjoy his team, because they post next, they play, when they prove in what, they let people know, say, now like this, I did score goals before. I don't know why, I don't want to take the chance on me. So just thank Mourinho, say Mourinho plays in faith, and I'm going to sign up. So they're very happy. My family said they call they ask Mikel Arteta, say what is the sup now? This one be say Jack Wilshere don dey train you too now. What is una plan? I say una wan sign am me. Let us know now. So Baba call talk say no. Say what is sup? He say no, say Wilshere na free agent be. So and you no get place wey in the train. And unto as former Arsenal, and so you can reason them say abeg, say whether you go fit come join them, make on the train with them. So him now can say, you na person me and you don't play before for the same field now. So if you want to the train for you, this is our facility. That no be problem now. No go collect money for your hands. So that's why they can't allow the guy, make the guy come join them, come they train with them, so that they go help and prepare for the next stage. So that if any other club can say, okay, we shall come and join us, you know, we need to go. They do extra training again. They do match, they match fit again. At least from us 9 to the day match, you know, they ready. But another clause we say you never can tell. You get the guy go play. That kind of January now we don't miss that kind of 4 players, and before you know they go draft them into the team for temporary basis. It dey happen, not be the first time it will happen. So it can happen. Well, but watch as everything will turn out. Almost still Ben White don't come outside again, come dey talk say for this Arsenal squad, then say the most skillful player we don't ever see since when come this Arsenal na Martinelli. You get say the guy say the guy who ball like this, you know if you know where he won't go, the guy just dazzle and he get pace, he don't move. say, but the way the guy they talk about this Martinelli, they heap high praises on the guy. But now come make us fans come and say, okay, if Ben White as a defender, top class defender, they come outside and talk, say, okay, the most skillful player we don't meet, now be Martinelli. Then why the coach they see the same thing? Why the coach they draft this guy? Give us some kind of cameo appearances, even if not 10 minutes, even if not 15 minutes. When this guy still play now, all those guys Bukayo Saka, they go play. They will play like maybe that guy 75 minutes. Like go put this guy in, make sure what say he do now. Obviously, you go let person don't play first half, play second half. When you say he will run the tire, burn out. You can't leave this guy freshman. They talking him be the most skillful. We leave him for Benjamin. Oh, it don't make sense now. Sure. So now we see people like us now with the reason. Well, moving forward, just hope say this thing with Ben White talk now. I think I will listen to them and say, this guy talk now true. Okay, don't worry, I will give you chances to make sure yourself. But I'm just that kind of January. They go play Martinelli well because space go there. People they go now, so space go there for them. But when they watch us, everything will turn out. Our Glenn Johnson, former Liverpool player, I don't come outside. Can they advise Philippe Coutinho? Say, see, if you won't come back to England, make you no join us now. Make you no join us now. Baba no tell us why say me Baba no join us now. Just plan say me go join Tottenham Hotspur. Coutinho said yesterday when they talk and say if they come England safe, say you no go need to join Arsenal because say Arsenal is struggle. Say that Tottenham Hotspur go like to go join because they get more stability. Well, everybody with their own opinion. Every man with a kettle of fish, so we never understand where their own perspective they come from. At least if you give advice or you talk something, tell us why you talk like that, so we can know where they come from, so that we know how we take face that talk where you talk. Just come out put a blanket statement. We don't know why they talk like that, because on paper, if you talk about struggling, Tottenham Hotspur is struggling more than Arsenal because they don't get identity. Nobody know where they get unhappy players for their ranks. See that Harry Kane now, the guy is not happy. No one play for una and una still keep am there. So that one no go come make una the struggle. How many goals don't score this season? Forget Conference League, they're saying boss goals plenty. League, EPL, we know Kane saying the boss tends week in week out. This season how far? I'm gonna go rest a bit. Based on the promise, so I promised yesterday say I will go check how this Karim Adeyemi they play for YouTube. Wetin I see, it burst my brain. The guy did very fast. The guy did very good with his left leg. See, any player who they use lefty, they go, move. Come on, all those kind of players fear them. The guy did very good and did very direct. They dribble like mad, as in left and right. Wipe shots. Even in right foot set, they use a wipe shot, they score. So I did very happy with what I see. But say YouTube na cut and so you get now only the best parts I will cut for you, give you, make you take and enjoy, drink your garri and go sleep. You get so me I just like what I see. So the guy in a player so we buy for the future. And if you don't join our team, so we get a lot of players, all those kind of fast players. No, Alang did there, Karim Adeyemi don't did there now. No, people they way fast. We go fit play for us, but I don't go lie for you. The best choice I go fit say Moko sign and the Sterling. That guy a senior man. I don't know why they can't put up a Benjamin from Man City now. Guy, okay, because they buy Jack Grealish now, and Phil Foden himself they play very well. So I know that's why they put up Benjamin. If we get that kind of person for that our wing, we don't get one of the best finishers in the league. God. Amanda Stavely will be Newcastle director of football. Come aside, they won the likes of Arsenal, Tottenham Hotspur, Chelsea. Say, they don't call you can't play. Say they won't win Premier League. You get like what I told you before. Say Saudi-backed consortium don't pay for Newcastle. So the director of football now, who knows whether she will still even be director. Say as they don't buy the club now, the first way they will do now, they will change their manager, bring a world-class manager, because this manager, maybe Steve Bruce will carry them go the promised land. So they will need to bring a top-class manager. Then they'll come bring a top-class football director. They will change a lot of things now. So if she thinks say that they will leave, maybe she can't bring them into the glory days. No fee work, because she come and after the talk say, well, this new investment say it will take years, it will take patience for them to get to where they want to be. Obviously, they will not be all these people waiting for their team. They will sell everybody small. They buy one top player, before you know they don't build their team. Come mount a top challenge for that EPL, and it's possible. If you don't win EPL, but it's top 4, top 6, right? How they don't buy world-class players from all over the world. You go see say top 4, top 6 no go far for them. Now what money they do, you get. If you know if you build players, you go free help you do everything. This money bust everywhere. She been now we at the talk since for us now. We say our okay, they get money but they don't want to spend that. Well, so the watchers everything will turn out and time will tell. Our American spirit they call the sun self don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal won't step up their interest for Noah Lang. You get Don't say yesterday, Gazzetta dello Sport, they come outside and let us know say AC Milan, a reason Club Brugge say they won't carry no along get, and that's not hear their news now. So now they won't step up their own interest because themselves like that player. Everybody like the player. Who don't go like the player? Player say shine against PSG. Who almighty PSG? Carry the ball, face them direct. Let them know say, forget saying I be big club. Say Neymar, Mbappe, and whatever they did. Me as I did here, I be one man mopo. I go finish you now. Everybody's scared put it happen that day now. That's why the reason say okay, we would like to come carry you. Well, you never know where the guy go last. But for me, I did suspect say the guy would like to come Arsenal because you know say him come here and get opportunity to play because Arsenal a place where say they give young stars chance to start. So once you don't prove yourself for the highest level, you come here, you go start now, and the guy they fast. I like the way the guy they play. God, the guy they play well. My sweet goalkeeper they call Aaron Ramsdale, so don't come outside. I call it talk say, in next challenge now. We say don't conquer the first challenge. I say move from Sheffield United to Arsenal, don't take over the first place. Don't make them in bet right. So now I see don't come for England now. So the next challenge now to take over that England #1 position from Jordan Pickford. They Pickford now for Everton they keep, and the guy calamity keeper now in big get. I know say Gareth Southgate said with the scam, we won't do it at that. So okay. This Ramsdale, I will give you a chance, and if you play very well, like say you cement your name for that first sheet. Say okay, England #1 goalkeeper Aaron Ramsdale moving forward. Now what they expect it will happen ahead of the likes of West Brom, Sam Johnstone. Well, and the prayer will pray for and make it be your own individual accolades, individual award when they get for himself. You know, good now if he sets goal, make him meet up. So they're very, very happy for him. So my dear football lovers, now you'll come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And see that bell notification icon with it there. Toggle up so that when there's to drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for all your supporting us. God bless you.